Hey guys, and welcome to today's video in which we're looking at how to find the mode. Okay, now what the mode is it is a fancy way of saying the most common number. Okay, so it allows us to see a pattern, see if something's repeating itself, and that allows us to figure out that particular type of average. So let's start with my friends again. So we'll start with Matt. So we look at his numbers. Okay, as you can see, I've already put them in order, and we look at which number is the most common. Well, there is 1 3, 1 5, and 2 4s. So 2 is the most common. So thus, his mode is 4. Okay, pretty straightforward. Okay, let's jump over to me now. Okay, so again, numbers we put in order: 3 3, 4 4, 5 6. Okay, so if we get down mode, now in this case, there are 2 3s and 2 4s. So you might be going, well, there's no one most common number. With mode, you can have 2 most common numbers. So in this case, the mode for me is 3, 4. So 3 and 4. They're both as common because they appear twice in that set. Okay, let's jump down to Amy. Okay, Amy has 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. And in this case, the mode because she's got lots of numbers that all have the same amount, but if you're looking at really big sets, that is likely to happen. So in this case, there is no mode because each of them is just as common as each other, but there's lots of them. You can have 2 modes, you can't have 4 modes. Okay? So the trick to remember is if there are 2 common numbers, yet you can have mode. If it's more than that, then you probably don't want to try recording a mode because it's not going to be very accurate. Okay? And lastly, let's move on to Mirren. Well, in her case, she has no common numbers at all. Okay, they're all unique. So the mode equals no mode again. Okay, so those are 4 different scenarios with the mode. Remember, it is the most common. Okay, it allows us to see patterns that are forming in our sequence of numbers. If there is 1 common number, that is the mode. If there are 2 common numbers, more than any other common numbers, those can become the mode. If there are lots of equally common numbers, no mode. If there is no common number, no mode. So the trick is just to make sure you're paying attention. Quite often what I see when people get questions about mode wrong is they miss the number. And so they would say, in this one here, just say 4 because they didn't see that there were 2 3s, or they'd say 3 because they didn't see that there were 2 4s. So it's important that you order your numbers in order from smallest to biggest, and you check them off. You may even want to write a separate list. There are 3, 4, 5, and a 6 in my thing. And you may want to do a bit of a tally charts. There are 2 3s, 2 4s, 1 5, and 1 6. Okay, so 3 and 4 are the most common. Or if we look at Matt's stuff here, okay, 1 3, 2 4s, 1 5. Okay, 4 is the most common. So that may be a way if you're finding it a bit hard to keep track of things, just to do a little tally chart on your for your working. Okay. Now, I've got a bit of a challenge for those guys for our last day of lockdown. A bit of a challenge for those people that are thinking they've got these averages pretty sorted. What I want you to do is this. Go to my YouTube channel. Get the page where it can show you all the different videos that I have posted. And I want you to see if you can figure out the mean, the median, and the mode times for my videos. So how long is the mean time, the median time, and the mode time of my videos? If you get that, send it to my school email or chuck it up on Teams, and I'll be pretty impressed. Enjoy your last day, boys, and I will see you on Monday.